XRP, we start with daily chart. Just I want to give a quick update. And if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within here, we have been looking for buy. This is what we get. And after we get this drop, we mentioned we want to see whether this one can turn to a flat as a first correction for one move up. Because as a long term, we have been looking for buy. We have been looking for the reversal. And we mentioned with the breakout of the 1.42, we're looking for 1.65 following by 2 as a target. All right. And one thing I need to highlight here, technically, whenever we see this kind of the corrective following by this kind of the drop, then mostly we can expect for the next. That's mean we can expect the price drop. And in this case, whenever we see this kind of the movement, the possibility, I mean, we can expect the price drop and even break the lowest price of this correction. But at this point, I'm not looking for this option because I know this one is because of the, since last week, the market was very slow. That's why we get this one. And still, I'm looking at this. We are not really interested to look for sell. If you get this opportunity for buy within this move, as I mentioned, and as I highlighted here, that's mean if you get any reversal, any opportunity for buy based on lower time frame, we will take it. And if we move to forward chart, as what we expected, the price dropped to 83, but it couldn't tag the 79. All right. That's why I mentioned if the price, we prefer to see the reversal without the breakout of this zone. And the best things is if this one, it was a next drop at least tag 79, because in that case, based on both of the indicators, we will see the divergence. And even in the bigger picture, we can look at this one as an internal flat. All right. But we are not really interested to look for sell if the price is going to drop. And at this point, based on forward chart, I don't have any, we don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. But if I move to 1 hour chart, as I mentioned, if the price continue and drop from here, we just let it go. We are not really interested to look for sell unless we see the changes. For example, we see the deeper correction. But at this point, we can look at this one as a flat. Even the price almost near to the previous low, but still we can consider. That's mean if you get any opportunity for buy as a short term within this range, we will take it as a short term. All right. By the way, at this point, I don't see any trade setup either for buy or sell. We have to wait, and we can expect the market will be quite slow. That's why I mentioned any trade is a short term. And in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, then I will share. Thanks.